Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without low-fall restrictions. Policy safe. Go with the flow, be like. 1. At the picnic, move indoors. Sounds cozy. Why? A change of plans can still be fun. 2. Your favorite meal is sold out. Why? Trying something new might become your new favorite. 3. It suddenly starts raining. Why? Every puddle has a story waiting. 4. The traffic is slow. Why? Great time to enjoy music or podcast. 5. Your comrades changes the movie choice. Why? You might discover a hidden gem. 6. The beach trip becomes a board game night. Why? Fun doesn't need perfect weather. 7. You miss the bus. Why? Maybe the next ride brings better view. 8. The power goes out. Why? Time for stories, games, or flashlight adventure. 9. Your hairstyle has a mind of its own. Why? Hair sometimes creates its own masterpiece. 10. Your pets steals the spotlight. Why? Unexpected moments are often the funniest. 11. Someone tells surprise joke. Why? Laughter is always welcome. 12. The recipe doesn't look perfect. Why? If it is tastes good, it's still a win. 13. Your team changes the game plan. Why? Teamwork means adapting together. 14. The line is longer than expected. Why? Patience, a hidden superpower. 15. You take a wrong turn. Why? Sometimes the scenic route is the best route. 16. A child asks a funny question. Why? Curious minds make life interesting. 17. Your schedule suddenly opens up. Why? Free time is a surprise gift. 18. You forgot your umbrella. Why? At least you'll have a memorable story. 19. A game doesn't go your way. Why? Every round is a chance to improve. 20. Your coffee order gets mixed up. Why? New flavors can be a pleasant surprise. 21. A bird sings outside your window. Why? Nature loves making unexpected concerts. 22. Your comrades is suggest a different restaurant. Why? New places create new memories. 13. You find an old photo. Why? Happy memories deserves another smile. 24. The conversation changes topics. Why? You might learn something interesting. 25. Your puzzle piece finally fits. My patience makes success sweeter. 26. You laugh at your own little mistake. Why? A good sense of humor makes life lighter. 27. Some invites you to try a new hobby. Why? Every expert starts as a beginner. 28. Your plans finish earlier than expected. Why? Bonus time for something enjoyable. 29. Life throws a small surprise your way. Why? Not every surprise is a problem. 30. Go with the flow. Be like, let's see where today takes us. Why? Flexibility helps enjoy the journey, not just the destination. Going with the flow doesn't mean giving up. It means staying positive, adapting to change, and finding gladness in unexpected moments. Keep smiling and enjoy the ride. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.